Hey, kids! It's me, Color Captain. Ready for some color magic? Meet Red. He's bold, brave, and always in a rush.
And here's Blue. Calm, cool, and sometimes sleepy.
Red and Blue never painted together until today.
Oops! Red spilled too much paint.
Hey! Careful, Red!
They both try painting a rainbow, but oops, it's messy.
We can't do this. Let's try again. They take a deep breath and count. 1, 2, splash!
Wait, what's that new color? Wow! Red and blue made purple! Red and blue, brave and true, mixed together something new. But wait, purple's a bit shy. Let's cheer for purple! Say A-P, your PL power! Now they paint the sky with teamwork and fun. Red says, I learned that mistakes are okay. Blue says, trying again makes us shine brighter. Together, we can make magic.
Try again, don't give up soon. Even the sky learns from the moon.
Time for a color quiz. What color makes purple?
Yes! Red and blue.
You're all color geniuses.
Now let's sing our color mixing song.
Red and blue, mix-a-do, swish and swirl, a purple hue. Try again, don't be sad, mistakes can make you super glad.
What happens when yellow joins next time?
That's right. Next time, we'll mix more colors together.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to EduKids for more magical color adventures.